Hi, I'm Chef Rahim. I'm 12 years old. Today, I'm going to show you how to make spicy Mongolian beef ramen. Mongolian beef is one of my favorite things to order out of a Chinese restaurant. And who doesn't like ramen? So I've decided to combine them together. For this recipe, you'll need carrots, broccoli, beef, instant ramen, chicken broth, vegetable oil, soy sauce, sesame oil, minced garlic, cornstarch, brown sugar, bell pepper, ginger paste, and chili flakes. First step is to boil our ramen. We're going to boil it according to the package, and then we're going to discard the flavor packets. Once your water is boiling, you're going to add in your ramen. While our ramen is boiling, we're going to prepare our beef. We're going to add cornstarch to the beef and coat all the sides. Now that my beef is coated, I'm going to start searing it. I'm going to add in my vegetable oil, and then I'm going to add in my beef to the pan. After my ramen is boiled, I'm going to drain it of the water. You're going to want to mix it a little bit until both sides are seared. You're going to want to sear both sides to make them brown. The goal in the end is to make sure the inside is not pink. I took my beef out and put it in the dish. And now in the same pan, I'm going to add sesame oil, ginger paste, and garlic. I'm stir frying my garlic and ginger inside my sesame oil and beef fat mixture. I'm going to cook it until fragrant. Now that it's fragrant, I'm going to add in my chicken stock, soy sauce, and brown sugar. Now I'm going to stir it in. You're going to boil our sauce, and then you're going to turn it down to low, and then you're going to let it simmer and thicken. Once your sauce has reduced, we're going to add in our vegetables. You may have noticed that now I'm using a wok. The reason I'm using a wok is to get more room to fit everything inside. I added my carrots, I added my broccoli, so now I'm going to add in my orange bell pepper. I'm going to cook our vegetables in the mixture for 3 to 5 minutes or until tender. My vegetables have cooked for 5 to 6 minutes until tender, so now I'm going to add back my beef and my chili flakes. If you're like my family and prefer a little spicy, I'm going to add in some chili garlic sauce. Mix it all together. My beef is completely coated, so now I'm going to add in my ramen. And now I'm going to mix that together. You're going to want to toss it like this until everything is coated. Mine is now coated, so I'm going to take it off the heat. Now it's time for me to transfer it out of the wok. Now that I've plated my ramen, I'm going to garnish it with scallions. You must be thinking, what is this? So what you could do is you can cut the scallions up till about here, soak them in water, and they'll continue to grow. And now I'm going to garnish. Hi, I'm Chef Rahim. I'm 12 years old. If I can make spicy Mongolian beef ramen, so can you. Time to eat. I'm hungry.